Hi, and welcome to Scenario, your partner in mental wellness. Here on our channel, we share educational, insightful, and science-backed content to help you understand your mental health and take meaningful steps toward a more balanced life. If you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your wellness journey, let's jump right in.
Meditation is not about escaping reality, it is about training your brain to respond differently to it. In a fast-paced world filled with constant stimulation, our stress systems often stay activated in ways they weren't designed for. Meditation directly targets the neural circuits responsible for worry, rumination, and emotional reactivity. Brain imaging shows significant changes. Specifically, we see reduced activity in the amygdala, the region responsible for threat detection. When this area is less reactive, we are less likely to perceive benign situations as threats, reducing chronic anxiety. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex actually strengthens. This is the area of the brain that makes us human. This region helps regulate impulses, improve decision-making, and increase focus by filtering out distractions. Beyond structure, meditation triggers profound chemical shifts that alter how we feel day to day. Regular practice is associated with significantly lower cortisol levels, the primary hormone linked to stress. It also improves serotonin balance. These changes help explain improved sleep, lower anxiety, and faster recovery from stress. When your brain chemistry is balanced, your body can return to a state of calm much faster after a difficult event. Large scientific reviews show meaningful reductions in anxiety and stress scores across diverse populations. Programs like mindfulness-based cognitive therapy combine traditional meditation with structured psychological tools. These programs are now used clinically to prevent depression relapse and manage chronic stress effectively. By practicing these techniques, you are literally sculpting your brain for a more resilient life. It isn't magic, it is biology. A consistent practice changes the physical structure and chemical makeup of your brain. This leads to the clarity and calm that many of us are searching for in this hectic world. If you want a structured way to build calm and clarity, take our mindfulness quiz and find a practice that fits your lifestyle. Your journey to a healthier brain starts with one simple step. Start your quiz today.
Thank you for watching Scenario. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For personalized mental wellness supplements, visit scenario.com. See you in the next one.